Great Wall of China is one of the most iconic structures in the world. It is a series of fortifications that stretch for thousands of miles across northern China. The wall was built over centuries, with different sections constructed by different dynasties. It is a testament to the engineering skills and determination of the Chinese people. The Great Wall is often called the longest man-made structure in the world. It is not one continuous wall, but a series of walls and fortifications built over centuries. The wall is made up of various materials, including stone, brick, and packed earth. It stands as a symbol of China's strength, resilience, and ancient civilization. The Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of visitors each year. People come from all over the world to see its grandeur and learn about its history. The wall is a reminder of China's rich cultural heritage and its enduring impact on the world. The Great Wall was built primarily to protect China from invaders. For centuries, nomadic tribes from the north had threatened China's borders. These tribes, often on horseback, would raid Chinese settlements for resources and plunder. The wall was built to prevent these incursions and safeguard China's heartland. Construction of the wall began during the Qin dynasty, around 221 to 206 BC. Emperor Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of a unified China, ordered the connection of existing walls and the construction of new sections. The wall was strategically placed along the northern frontier to act as a barrier against these nomadic forces. The wall was not just a physical barrier, but also a symbol of China's power. It represented the division between the civilized world within and the perceived barbarians outside. The wall's imposing presence was meant to deter potential attackers and demonstrate the strength of the Chinese Empire. Building the Great Wall was a massive undertaking that required innovative techniques and vast resources. The materials used in construction varied depending on the local geography and availability. In mountainous areas, stone was the primary material, quarried nearby and shaped by hand. In flatter regions where stone was scarce, builders used rammed earth. This technique involved compacting layers of earth and rubble between wooden frames to create solid wall sections. Bricks were also used extensively, particularly in later dynasties, fired in kilns and laid in a mortar of rice flour and slaked lime. The wall's construction incorporated watchtowers, fortresses, and signal towers at strategic intervals. Watchtowers provided elevated platforms for soldiers to monitor the surrounding territory and house troops. Fortresses served as larger military bases, capable of accommodating more soldiers and supplies. The construction of the Great Wall required a massive labor force, estimated to be in the hundreds of thousands, even millions over the centuries. The majority of these workers were conscripted peasants forced into service by the government. They endured harsh conditions, working long hours with limited tools and often insufficient food. Life for these workers was brutal and dangerous. Many perished from exhaustion, disease, or accidents during the construction. Their suffering and sacrifice contributed to the wall's completion, a testament to their resilience under duress. The wall stands as a monument to their forced labor and the human cost of such a massive undertaking. Despite the hardships, the workers took pride in their contribution to this monumental project. The wall represented a shared national identity and a commitment to protecting their civilization. Their efforts helped create a structure that has endured for millennia and continues to inspire awe and wonder.